comment section is looking very alive, and I just want to let you know that I appreciate it from all of you. And for those of you that really need to get in touch with me, you can always email me at mbownersforlife@bellsouth.net or mbownersforlife@gmail.com, and it is FOR, not number 4, FOR. So we're doing our best to get to all the comments and the questions, and hopefully in a few weeks we'll have most of them answered so that we can do it again in a few more weeks. Thank you so much.
In the meantime, consider just talk about Patreon a little bit here too.
In the meantime, consider supporting us on Patreon, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because those numbers mean a lot to us. Thank you so much.